Next piece here, what I've done is I've put together everything. I wish I hadn't put the white nose on it now, but obviously not everything, but I've put all the blue pieces together. It came out pretty well. It seems fairly sturdy. I've just gone over this with a little brush and little sandpaper. I didn't have many little pieces to break off. I've gone over this again. Just any time there was a tiny gap, I put a little bit of CA glue in there, and then after everything had dried, just sand it down a little bit. You can use very fine sandpaper, or you can use little brush. I used little Dremel brush just on the edges. It was faster. Here I had a tiny gap here for some reason, don't know why, but just filled it again with a tiny bit of glue and sanded it over. So there we go. It looks pretty good, I think. Now I need to wait for the sky blue paint to arrive. The paint also says that it will protect the surface, so it should also help to make it waterproof and make it land better. So that's all ready to go. I'm not going to put anything else on it until I paint it. And then once it's painted, because the wings are going to be white, so once it's painted, then I'll put on the wings and the wiring. Would have been easier probably if I had checked the instructions properly and put my wiring in before I put these together, but I didn't, so that'll be just a little bit of a challenge. But anyway, there we go. So next time you see it, it should be painted.